Now that we have talked a little bit about Boolean values, we're going to talk about the different decision structures. The first one is an if statement, and you see one on line 24. If this condition is true, then this code is going to be executed. If this condition is false, it will not execute and go straight over here to the return statement. Now, one word of caution, you really want to make sure that you put these curly brackets for each code section. It's not really necessary if you only have one single line of code, but as you see in later exercises, that can be a little bit problematic, and it's easy to create some hard to find error messages or logic errors. So you really want to have code brackets for each if statement, and do the same thing for the if else and the loops that we'll have later on. Also make sure that you don't put the opening curly bracket over here, because it looks as if this is not braced. So this clearly encapsulates all the code over here, whether it's one line or more. Okay, and no, I'm not going to leave this out over here. That's an old comment. Okay, so over here we're just going to average 3 test scores, and if they average to 100, then we get a congratulations message. If not, then you don't get a message and the program just stops. So I'll do 98 and 99 and 99, and you'll see that it just displays the average over here, but it does not give you this message. Okay, now let's do it again, and since we just need the average, we're just going to give it a 99, 100 and a 101 extra credit, and we get the average message and then also the congratulations over here. So that just shows you the how the if statement works. It only executes if the condition is true. By the way, you also want to make sure that when you compare with the number over here, you make a comparison. Don't use a single equal sign, use a double equal sign, and you'll see that in later exercises too.